In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to save a Figma design file. If you work in Figma, you already know it, auto saves your changes to the cloud. But sometimes you need a snapshot you can keep, share, or archive outside of your team space. Saving a local copy creates a downloadable .fig file, the native Figma format, that preserves your pages, artboards, components, and settings at that moment in time. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in, the design file you want is open, and you have permission to access it. First, go to Figma, either in the desktop app or in your web browser, and open the design you want to back up. Give the canvas a second to finish loading thumbnails and fonts so you know everything is up to date. Next, look to the very top left corner of the window and click the Figma icon. This opens the main application menu. It's the hub for file level actions like creating, duplicating, and saving. If you don't see it, try maximizing the window or hovering near the top edge until the toolbar appears. In the menu that opens, move to the File section and click File. This narrows the options to commands that affect the entire document rather than just selected layers. Taking a moment here helps ensure you're applying the command to the correct file, especially if you have multiple tabs open. Now click Save Local Copy. Figma will generate a .fig file and prompt you to choose where to store it on your computer. Pick a location you'll remember and consider using a clear descriptive name, something like project name version date, so it's easy to track later. For larger design systems, the save may take a moment. Keep the window open until the process completes. When it finishes, you'll have a standalone .fig file that you can store, share, or import back into Figma whenever you need a specific version. A few quick tips to get the most from this file. Keep your local copy alongside any project documentation so context travels with the design. And if you're collaborating across machines, make sure the receiving device has the necessary fonts and access to any linked libraries. Remember, a local copy is a backup of the current state, not a live connection, so changes made later in the cloud won't update this file. And that's it. You've created a reliable, portable backup of your Figma design with just a few clicks. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.